This user guide provides a step-by-step process for using the text-to-speech voice cloning feature in the 11 Labs platform. This feature is useful when you want to use your voice type in multiple projects and don't have time to record for each one. It saves time and gives high-quality audio. Click on Voices from the menu to access the voice options. Click on Add a new voice to start creating a new voice. Choose Instant Voice Clone to clone your voice with only a few minutes of audio. Provide a name to the voice, for example, an old American male voice with a slight hoarseness in his throat, perfect for news. Click to upload a file or drag and drop audio or video files, up to 10 MB each, or record audio directly. Write description about the audio file you have uploaded or recorded. Check the box to confirm that you have all necessary rights or consents to upload and clone these voice samples. Click Add Voice to finalize the creation of the new voice. Click on the View button next to the voice profile you wish to explore. Click the Use Voice button to select the voice for your text-to-speech task. Start typing here or paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. Click the Generate Speech button to convert the text into speech. Click the Play button to listen to the generated speech. Move the Stability slider to adjust the variability of the speech output. Further adjust the Similarity slider for precise control over the voice output. Click the Play button again to review the changes in the generated speech. Download the generated audio by clicking the download icon in the bottom right corner.